Hi, I'm Dr. Carey Heller. Are you someone who's constantly fighting procrastination, poor time management, organization, planning, and just are not getting the things done that you need to get done, and potentially it's causing a lot of stress? There is help available to make things better. So one of the things that I do is I've been running an ADHD and executive function boot camp for over 12 years at this point. So what this is it's a one-to-one intensive 2-hour session where essentially we look at what are the things that you're struggling with. So whether it's keeping track of all of your work tasks, keeping track of your kids' schedules and where you need to be to pick them up, whatever the issues are, we look at that together, we figure out what's worked to some degree in the past, what hasn't, and then we set up some strategies together to make things better. So again, on the one hand, it's fairly relaxed in that we're not going to overwhelm you with 20 different strategies you have to try to implement on your own. The idea is to start with a basic framework of maybe figuring out the schedule. So a calendar, maybe a task list to think about the task. But again, each person's different on what their needs are. But then what we do is we really figure it out together. We set it up during the session, and then we help you to set it up in a way so you can execute it on your own as much as possible afterwards. But again, we understand sometimes the follow-through is even harder than knowing what to do, so we certainly can do follow-up sessions as well. But the idea here is that if something's not working, if you're not as organized as you'd like to be, you feel like you can't even take a step back to figure out how to make things better, the boot camp is a perfect opportunity for that. So if you're interested in this and want to make things better, don't procrastinate. Use the link below in the comments to get started today, and let's make things better together.